instance, we had one. So this time around, we are having a group. So again, people say that this is an approach or a model where one or more mentors provide guidance to advise on one or more mentors provide guidance and advice to several mentees. So you have one or more, several mentees. I gave you an example of such, I think last time we met, a group of research students doing research being given to several mentees. Yes, I think that is what we are talking about. One or more mentors, they will provide guidance to several mentees. That is very self-explanatory. You have Asimiwe and Chris providing mentorship to several mentees. Several will mean more than two. So you'll agree on how you can be able to divide yourselves. So there are similarities with the one-to-one mentoring, but typically it involves more than two people. So two people with the two people, that is group mentoring. Two people with 4 people, that is mentoring. 5 people with the 2 mentees, that is still group. In this case, the mentees are provided with a greater sense of support, as well as multiple perspective of their career development. Very, very important. When you have more people surrounding you, it means that you are a very happy person, because these people will be supporting a wider perspective or multiple perspectives of your career development. In this case, the mentees also have a lot in common to learn, or a lot in common to give. Mentees usually have a lot in common to learn, or a lot in common to actually give. In this respect, therefore, there are 3 types of mentoring within this group mentoring. You can have one mentor with multiple mentees, or multiple mentors for a mentee, or you can still go to another aspect of having mentees put together, and mentors put together. They form what we refer to as peer mentoring. So you can have mentees all together, or mentors all together. They form an approach that is peer mentoring that we are just coming to see shortly. So therefore, what would peer mentoring be? Peer, like we let me go to peer mentoring straight away, so that we get to see how this ties up with the other 2 mentoring approaches. This is an approach or a model. Remember, I've said in some literature we would refer to them as models. In other literatures, we'll refer to them as approaches. Some of them will be referred to as types. So it also depends on where you are reading from, but I think the word approach is more encompassing than a model, because in models, you are supposed to accompany what you are speaking about with a diagrammatic presentation, which may not be the case in this particular aspect of facilitation. So it's a model where two people of similar levels of experience provide guidance and support to each other. Remember, we are talking about peer mentoring. Two people of similar levels of experience. Third year students would form a group. Second year students will form a group or a level. So these two people of similar levels of experience provide guidance and support to each other. So you have third years together as a peer group. You can have second years together as peer groups. These are at different levels, but they are supporting each other. So who is a mentor and who is a mentee? They can be able to divide those roles amongst themselves, and they do a good job. We also refer to this approach as relationships that are often informal and develop spontaneously between two people who share similar interests or goals. So a relationship, an agreement between two, and it's actually informal. It is not formal. And this develops spontaneously. There is no particular training guide or a teaching guide or a curriculum. They are informal. They just are spontaneous. And these two people share similar interests or goals. That will be a peer mentoring. So take, for example, a laboratory officer and a medical records officer. They develop a relationship spontaneously. Say they want to get into some arrangement that can be able to give them a particular point of view. So when these two people are together spontaneously, they have therefore share similar interests or goals. This can help in mentoring, and especially if the mentee is also part and parcel of this diverse arrangement in terms of relationships. And then we say that it is a more formal peer-to-peer. That means people who are of the same level or of the same